Hello everybody and welcome back. Today I have this Burg Wächter lock for you. It's called Flash. It's an older model with quite some nasty keyway. Model number is 44, did not find 50. 50 is just the size, I guess. Yeah, it's I think 5-pin lock. I don't have the key actually, but I counted them before and I think it's 5 pins. And yeah, let's get picking using this tensioner for Multipick here on top of the keyway that you cannot use anyhow. And this pick in 0.4 millimeters from Multipick. And let's try to get it picked. Some click in the back. I'm using relatively light tension. You don't need that much tension. Okay, pin 3 and yeah, open. So not so challenging. I guess you can also shim it, but yeah, I don't know. Yeah. So that's all to this older lock from Burg Wächter. I really like the logo Flash. Okay, thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Have a nice day. Bye.